Hi, this is a Technology Ridecast, and I'm Marc Farley. We're in the back roads of Montana today with our special guest, Jim Polakowsky. How you doing, Jim?
Excellent. It's always good to be in Montana.
It is always good to be in Montana. The mountains are wonderful. You can probably see them. Anyway, you are one of the architects and the data center manager of ivdesk.
That's correct. We provide a virtual desktop with all the apps a company has. It gives you the entire desktop with all your data, all your applications that you can connect from anywhere.
So how do you handle the network latency issues?
Really, the latency is one of the key issues in remote desktop, and we manage it by adding a variety of different telecom connectors. It automatically picks the lowest latency line from where you're connecting from, whether it's the office, your home, or in Montana.
In Montana. There's a lot of latency out here.
There is. It doesn't work that well in the mountains.
What about servers? What kind of server, software, hardware do you use?
We run any server you want. Most of them run Windows servers, and so we're running that. We really use VMware to manage that. Virtual servers are the easiest and best to run, and we're running that on blades now because of the scalability.
Yeah, whose blades?
Cisco blades, UCS blades. It makes one of the key things for us in expansion is that we don't know how many customers we're signing up next month, and we have to be able to add capacity quickly. And the blades are really straightforward. Pop in another blade, go through the console and configure it, and you're ready to go.
Yeah, they sort of knocked it out of the park there, didn't they?
They sure did.
Yeah. So what about storage? You know, I'm a storage guy. I love storage.
You bet. Storage has been another challenge for us. We've been running spinning disks because of the cost. And with VMs, you don't get as good a performance all the time. This spring, we switched to Solidfire.
Why was that? Why'd you pick Solidfire?
Solidfire has a couple key advantages in our scalable architecture. Once it's set up and running, which was straightforward, you actually buy another node, plug it in, and it's almost instantly available to use. It's just been completely awesome to have that scalable architecture. Performance is really good, and as you figure, that's one of the advantages. One of the reasons that we hadn't done that sooner is because of the cost, and we've really gotten a lot of dedupe and compression with Solidfire that brings the cost down similar to spinning disk for us. We're getting rates up to five times on the compression and dedupe.
What about file data?
Isilon, EMC Isilon, and that's been awesome for us because of the ability to upgrade without having to migrate data.
Terrific, Jim. Thanks for telling us what you got going on there. Watchers might want to check out ivdesk.
You bet.
Thanks for coming on, Jim.
Pleasure.